soul tonight. Drift among the faithful, bury your desires. Aberrations fill your head, you need a place to hide, and I am. Do you remember me? And the kid I used to be? Do you remember me? When your world comes crashing down, I want to be there. Oh, not Jesus, Jesus wasn't there. You confess it all away, but it's only shared to me. I'm not Jesus, I will not forgive. No, I won't. No, I won't. I thought you were a good man, I thought you talked to God. You hypocritic, messianic, child-abusing, turned satanic. Do you remember me? Do you remember me? With the kid I used to be? Do you remember? Do you remember? When your whole world comes undone, let me be the one to say, I'm not Jesus, you can run away. And the innocent you spoil, find your way to live. I'm not Jesus, I will not forgive. I will not forgive. I will whatever you wanted. I will not forgive. I will whatever you wanted. Do you remember me? And the kid I used to be? Not the same as I used to be. Nor do you remember my name? When your world comes crashing down, I want to be there. I'm not Jesus, Jesus wasn't there. You confess it all away, but it's only shared to me. I'm not Jesus, I will not. I'm not Jesus, I will not forget. Oh, I will not forget. Yeah, yeah. No, I will not forget. I try to make it through my life in my way. There's you. I try to make it through these lies, and that's all I do. Just don't deny it. Don't try to fight this and deal with it, and that's just part of it. If you were dead or still alive, I don't care. I don't care. Just go and leave this all behind, 'cause I swear I don't care. I try to make you see my side, I always try to stay fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I've waited as my time's elapsed. Now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that. I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away. But I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Put me back together, or separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. Tell me the reality is better than the dream, but I found out the hard way. Nothing